Belai ke hamil maya fro tini oro 5 manjang nai sini media rono ane mung ke baithang de Burma tai ang adisani general secretary ni samkhai tongo tebo oro tini 5 manjang ka sini tabu sini working president tongmani tini ni meeting ni yagulo sumbono president nei sum full bono promotion kai sumbono president nei ta sumbono president sini adisani tabu existing president ni sumbono tini sini meeting o gosi laiman yagulo bono gosi na halakya te abegino tongani yang asuja sini yang sini ke sini da Dubendu Jomatia gabai kena sini yang te khorsa tong vice president sini da Nishu de Burma te abai kena sini sports secretary tongo sini Ridoy tongo Sukumar tongo tai sini AGS songka be hassle distance ni bagai borok nogo ma lama rusuka te abai kena sini CC member tongo tai sini logo sini central ni CC artisan ni CC ro tongo tai tebo norok na hame maya foro sini special sini kokti brate sangsatino norok sino sini ring horma khanawi phaimani bagai tini nunga sanai acha tini sini adisani 6 CC Central Executive Committee ni 6 CC meeting tai tini meeting tini sal maring ke 1st July 2022 tai tini sini meeting ni chairperson ngai tai tini meeting ni sini tangpong okrangai tini meeting no chaloka sini dara Dubendu Jomatia ke sini agenda rokongka organizational matter ro tai miscellaneous no tei salaiga tai kabangma long discussion almost 2 hours ni hai time now discussion khemani yaglo sini discussion obonongkha te decision obonongkha sini discussion no kok salaimani yaglo sini president sini borong ganang sini respected sini ahla Jomatia ke sini adisani president tongmani tabu bo parents party ni assistant general secretary bo promotion ngai ba ar upgradation ngai bo assistant general secretary of IPF team thanga gabani yaglo organization no smoothly run khaina bagai ba organization no tui khogna bagai tui tuna bagai bo khorsa borok ngai double post holder ni bagai blai ke problem ngai bo full time remain kha gatai se bota parents party ni bagai parents party sogi mani bagai AGS ngai abu bo parents party wal tongsitung hnai tini committee asuk lai salai oklai tai abuni loglogi decision bana kha je sini working president sini da Dubendu Jomatia bono consider khailai salai kabangma kok salimani yaglo bono sini newly bono president hnai additional president hnai tini noroni media ni bisingti declaration ru abahida kate kaisa obo salaikya abani yaglo additional situation tai political situation nogai IPF tini student organization tongmani ba engka abono tei nasik lai wansuk lai kabangma salimani yaglo artisa rok sini decision abono nahar ka je taboni jorao je IPF tini je samung humung je borungni je choli tongmani sini parents party hanmano borni choli tongmani no satisfaction nungya tai aboni yaglo tamhnai borokni je adisano naikol mani adisano care khaimani abo blai ke lacking ni bagai tini adisa rok decision naka je adisa tini ni simi ojorani simi adisa rok independent tongsinai IPF tini banner ni under tei tongniya independent student organization ngai sini organization smoothly run khainani bagai wansugai tei sini declare omo tini media ni bisingti ro engke tebo wansulaikya paithago te obo wansuka adisa organization no je kono political party let it be national party or indigenous party any party borok jodi adisani interest adisani hamkrani bagai jodi borok singno naikhe ba hamjake ba sungno nangjago hungke sung wansulainai je president tei GS wansugui abo sung tamhanai saklaimung rwnai eba social media o sung openly sung share khairnai ba declare khairnai in any angle o topke sung adisaro sung wansuka let it be any party or organizations or say any je kono national party phanungthum sungno interest reke sinadisani interest no sungno nasike sung borok bai sung anytime any somoyo phano sung consider khai sung wansuklainai obahaida ke asma hambai।